What's up, guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best air fryer French fries of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Enjoy versatile cooking like never before with this multifunctional digital air fryer that brings together air frying, baking, dehydrating, roasting, and rotisserie cooking in a single appliance. Using rapid air heating elements, it eliminates the need for preheating, ensuring fast, even, and crispy results every time. This all-in-one convection oven is perfect for creating healthier meals with up to 98% less oil than traditional frying methods, allowing you to indulge without guilt. With 17 preset options and an intuitive capacitive touch control screen, anyone can cook to perfection in minutes. The spacious 10-liter capacity is ideal for family-sized meals or meal prep, enabling you to cook in large batches effortlessly. Equipped with 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie spit with a retrieval tool, and a drip tray, it offers a complete cooking solution. Plus, the interior light and large viewing window make it easy to monitor your food's progress, giving you perfect results with convenience and ease. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse 26-quart air fryer. Elevate your kitchen experience with this versatile air fryer and multi-cooker, designed to take meals to new heights. Perfect for any culinary occasion, it adapts easily to every meal, from quick after-school snacks to elegant family dinners. With 25 cooking presets, this appliance is ready to handle a variety of dishes: ribs, pizza, chicken, and more. Its dual-speed fan ensures golden, crispy perfection by circulating 360 degrees of superheated air, delivering mouth-watering results without the extra oil. A stylish stainless steel exterior adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, making it ideal for those who enjoy hosting. The sleek French doors open effortlessly with a single pull, and an interior light lets you monitor food without disrupting the cooking process. The spacious 26-quart capacity accommodates meals for up to 6 people and can easily rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza, making it ideal for families or gatherings. This appliance combines elegance, convenience, and culinary versatility all in one. Number 3. Chefman 2 QT Mini Air Fryer. This compact and versatile air fryer is designed for fast, healthy cooking without sacrificing flavor. With an adjustable touch screen, it allows you to customize your cooking time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making meal preparation quicker up to 3 times faster than a conventional oven. Perfect for 1 to 2 servings, its 2-quart capacity and space-saving square basket ensure efficiency while minimizing countertop clutter. The fryer's innovative design includes shake notifications that prompt you to shake ingredients halfway through for maximum crispiness. With little to no oil required, it promotes healthy eating, creating delicious dishes that are low in fat. Safety is prioritized with an automatic shutoff feature, which activates when cooking is done or if the basket is removed. Cleaning is effortless with the dishwasher-safe, non-stick basket and rack, making it an ideal choice for those seeking convenience without compromising on quality. Whether it's a daily meal or a quick snack, this air fryer is a reliable and stylish addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer. Experience the ease of preparing healthy meals with an innovative air fryer that reduces fat by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods, delivering guilt-free results without compromising taste. Equipped with a wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows precise control to either gently dehydrate foods or quickly cook and crisp them to perfection using convection heat. Ideal for family meals, its 4-quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate can hold up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it versatile for snacks, main dishes, and sides alike. This 4-in-1 appliance provides 4 flexible cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you more cooking options in one compact unit. Create fun, homemade snacks with the dehydrate feature, which uses low fan speed and temperature to achieve perfectly crisp, chip-like results. Easy to maintain, the basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, while the exterior can be wiped clean with minimal effort. This air fryer also comes with a 20-recipe booklet, inspiring you to explore new flavors and techniques right out of the box. Number 5. Chefman Turbo Fry Touch Air Fryer. Enjoy the delicious taste of fried foods with far fewer calories, thanks to the TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. This innovative appliance lets you achieve the perfect crispy texture using 98% less oil, so you can cook up your favorite dishes without guilt. With its intuitive digital control panel, one-touch presets, and temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer makes preparing everything from French fries and chicken to fish and vegetables a breeze. It even includes a built-in LED reminder, alerting you when it's time to shake your food for even cooking. Designed with convenience in mind, the TurboFry Touch Air Fryer offers a generous cooking capacity in a compact, countertop-friendly design. The removable fryer basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy, while the sleek exterior effortlessly complements any kitchen decor. And with the automatic shutoff feature, you can confidently step away as your meal cooks, knowing it will stop at the perfect time. Ideal for families or busy individuals, this air fryer transforms your favorite meals into healthier options without compromising on taste. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.